Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to calculate your monthly payment for a car loan using Excel and using the using solver, which is built in Excel. All right, so let me rename this tab to car loan, and let's say that monthly payment, just to start with, let's put in a number there. Let's say it's $450 just to begin with. This is gonna be solved using solver. All right, so now let's start with month, your beginning balance. Actually, let me just make it a bit more cleaner. All right, and then your payment, and then your ending balance. So let's assume we get a loan for 60 months or 5 years. So let me drag this. All right, 60 months. Just to be sure, yeah, 60 months. All right, so let's say your beginning balance is, let's say 30,000, and your payment is gonna be, monthly payment is gonna be this value right here. And let me mark, do F4, so we lock in the values. Then my ending balance for the first month, let's say it's gonna be, or my ending balance is gonna be my beginning balance minus the payment. So that is going to be my ending balance. Now for the next month, my beginning balance would be the ending balance. My payment is going to be the same. And then my ending balance, like before, it's going to be the beginning balance minus the payment, and so on. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, double click, and that should fill all the values, but we see that the ending balance, we still have some left over. So now to use the solver to calculate the right monthly payment amount, I'm going to click on this and then go to the menu and click on the solver. All right, so my objective is the value of 0, and we want our ending balance to be 0. So my ending balance should be value of 0 by changing which cell? By changing the monthly payment. So by doing this, and if I click on solve, so it said $500 should be my monthly payment. And so let's check the ending balance is 0. So that's how you can calculate your the 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 monthly payment using Solver.